Hi everyone, it's Miss Schmidt. I hope you are all doing well. I miss you all very much, and I hope that you've all had a good 2 week break and got some rest and were able to relax. Um, I know that this is not how we expected to spend our last quarter in school together, and I can tell you personally, I would much rather be with you guys every day and see you in our classroom every day. However, that's just not where we find ourselves. So I am going to try and support you and make this as easy of a transition as it possibly can be for you because I understand that it might be a little overwhelming. If you feel overwhelmed, I want you to know you're not alone. It was a little overwhelming for me at first, but I'm excited to get started in this quarter. Mr. Topkin is also still with me, so he will be uploading a video as well. So we are both here to support you in whatever you need. And moving forward, I'm going to try and again make this as clear for students and parents as possible. So I hope you all got a little bit of a break and you're all doing well. And I'm going to get started on how this next quarter is going to look. First, before I get started, I should probably warn you, just be like you're out of school. I also have a son out of school and another son out of daycare. So when I'm creating these videos, if you hear things in the background, it might be Octonauts, it might be Paw Patrol, it might be a child crying. I'm going to work through it because this is my new norm, all right? If I stopped the video every time one of my kids came and interrupted, I probably would never get one made. So just to warn you. So the first thing I'm going to look at is my schedule and how your days and my days are going to look in this upcoming quarter. So on the schedule that was sent home by the district as well as Westridge, social studies, it was suggested, is done from 9:30 to 10. So I thought that the easiest thing to do was to have my office hours where I will be on my computer ready to answer questions from 10 to 11 right after your lesson, right after that time designated for social studies. That way, if there was something confusing or something you don't understand, you can ask me right away and I will respond right away, hopefully. So this linked right here are all the assignments for your first week, and I'll kind of get into a little bit more detail about what those are. And then next is my office hours, and then plan, and then it kind of tells you I'm available for questions by email, and you can also send an appointment, like if you would like to meet via WebEx, because maybe you can't tell me your question in an email, you can't get the wording right, or you don't know where to start, or you're feeling overwhelmed, or even it's not even about work. You just would like to talk to someone. Please email me. I'd like to schedule a WebEx meeting, and I can definitely get that set up. I will let you know that whether we're meeting individually with just you and I, or with a group of kids who all have the same question, or who would like to get together and WebEx, I will always be recording those sessions. So just to let you know. But I am available from 1 to 3 pretty much almost every day except for Wednesday and a little bit on Friday for any type of one-on-one or small group setting to help you really with anything. Not just social studies, but with anything. If you just need to talk to someone, please reach out. Reach out to me or any of your other teachers. We really want you to know that we are all here for you. So this will be uploaded into our new Google Classrooms. So at the top here, I have standard Google Classroom. We're starting anew. So standard classes, so hours 2, 3, 5, and 6 will all have the same Google Classroom. And then fourth hour will be my advanced class. Fourth hour will have a separate Google Classroom. So the first thing you'll want to do starting next week, which is right here on Monday, join new Google Classroom. The codes are right here. And hopefully you're watching the greeting video, which is right now. And then the next thing you need to do for Monday is start your EduBlog. And I'm going to go over kind of what that looks like. The link to the video that shows you how to do that is going to be multiple places so that you can find it when you need it. So the first thing I created is a Padlet right here. I'm going to put the introduction video that I'm making right here as soon as I'm done. This is going to have all of the tutorial videos that I'm going to create that's going to help you with your assignments. So the first assignment you have, which is next week, Monday through Friday, you have an assignment to create a blog. All right, and I broke that up into very specific details to help you not feel overwhelmed. So I basically broke it up into 4 videos, and you have 5 days to do it. So a video a day and finish that is a pretty good pace. You'll be fine. The videos are anywhere from 4 to 10 minutes long. I don't think I have any longer than 10 minutes. So this link, this Padlet link, and as we go through the quarter, I will be adding to this. Any assignment that has a video or any assignment that has a resource will be on this Padlet, and this will be linked on Google Classroom. I will also, every Monday, upload this. It'll have a new week at the top. Generally, these won't change because those are going to stay every week the same, but it'll have a new week at the top, and it will give you suggestions on what to do on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. All right, so if you're just really like, you know what, I want to knock out social studies on Monday. I want to be done with social studies. You could go through and essentially finish the assignment for the week on Monday if you would like. You don't have to do them. You can do it at your own pace. Now, please have a pace. And I have kind of suggested what I think you should do on each day. But again, maybe you get done with lesson 1 and you're like, oh, that was easy and fun. Let's go on to lesson 2. Go for it. All right. What you're going to do when you're done with creating this blog on Friday, you should be done by Friday, is you're going to email me the link. The blog will look something like this. This is what mine looks like. I'm going to probably change it, but this is what it looks like for now. And this is where you're going to be turning in all of your work. You won't have to email me another assignment generally unless it's like a special situation, but you're going to have discussions and weekly prompts that I'm just going to ask you to respond to. And so on Friday, I'll know I can go through and look at everyone's link, their blog link, and so did their weekly prompt. Great, I'll grade it. Give some feedback, add some comments. The great thing about this too is that it's a way for your other teachers to communicate with you as well. They can go on and comment. I'm going to give them the link as well. I'm not going to share it with any other students. It will be a personal blog, so if you would like to share it with other students, that's up to you. However, I will just be sharing it with the other teachers on the Panther team, so that if they want to see what we're doing or if they want to see your blog and how you personalized it, they could do that, as well as our administration. So this is where you'll be turning all of your stuff in. Your goal for this week is just to get your blog created, and then I have one blog post that you'll be writing this week. It's very simple. Asks about a Disney character that you most associate yourself with, and nothing too hard. All right? Again, if you have any questions, at any point in time you're confused and you feel overwhelmed or you feel like, Ms. Schmidt, I do not know what you're talking about in this video, please, please, please email me. And if we can't get it figured out through email, I am more than happy to have a WebEx meeting with you. But just let me know. Also, parents, the same way. If you feel like any of the instructions I'm providing your students are not clear and you're not sure what they're expected to do, please, please, please email me, or we can request a WebEx meeting with me, and I would be more than happy to do that. I would love to see you guys. I really, really, really wish that we were ending our quarter together and seeing each other every day. However, that's just not our new norm. So we will get through this, and we will get through it as easy and as clear as I can be with the transition to digital continuous learning. All right, I know you guys taught me to always say like and subscribe at the end of every video. So like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I get those numbers.